Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix laggy clips on Metal TV. So if your Metal TV clips are laggy, so firstly what you need to do is open the Metal TV app, and next is you need to lower the recording quality. So go to your setting in the bottom left, and from here you need to select this quality. And from the quality you need to go under this custom here, and after that you can simply customize the recording quality here. Under the resolution, make sure it is 720p or 180p if your PC can handle it. And from the rate FPS, make sure it is 60 or 30 FPS on lower end on PC. And under this bitrate, make sure it's bitrate under 10 to 15 Mbps. A lower setting reduce the load on your computer and often eliminate laggy clips. And you also need to close unnecessary programs before gaming. Close all the apps that you have opened. And next is you need to run the medal as an administrator. You can go to the search here, type down medal. From here, select this run as administrator. This can improve game detection and recording stability. And that is it. This is how you can fix the laggy clips on Middle TV. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.